Making money with Google Maps involves using its platform for business promotion, local SEO, and offering services that can help others leverage its tools. Here's how you can monetize it. Optimize your business listing. Create and optimize your Google My Business profile to increase your business visibility on Google Maps. Add accurate information, engaging photos, and encourage customer reviews. This boosts local SEO, making it easier for nearby customers to find your business, increasing foot traffic and driving sales. Offer local SEO services. Help businesses optimize their Google My Business listings and enhance their presence on Google Maps. Offer local SEO services to improve their visibility, ranking, and customer acquisition. Promote affiliate products or services. If you run a blog or website related to local travel, real estate, or other services, use Google Maps to recommend affiliate businesses. You can monetize these recommendations through affiliate links. Use Google Maps for delivery. If you have a delivery service, Google Maps can help you optimize routes and reduce fuel costs. You can make money by offering delivery services to local businesses or customers. Conduct local tours. Offer paid local tours or guides and use Google Maps to navigate and provide value to tourists. Monetizing through ticket sales or bookings.